Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. For today's very special video, I'm gonna teach you how to disable or turn off sleep mode in your Windows. So let's get started. First is you need to search for settings. Please type settings at the bottom search bar, and the moment you type that, this best match will appear. Please double tap to open. Once done, you will be redirected to the settings. Okay, here at the left side, you can see a lot of options here. Next to home is the system. Just click system and under the system, it will shows a lot of the options here. Here, we need to locate for power and battery. Okay, we can see here power and battery next to focus. Just simply click that to continue. And under this power and battery window, you can see here a lot of options. It has this power, battery, and related support. Here under the power, you need to click this arrow icon here and it will shows four options. Here you can manually select the time or the minutes or hour that you want to, you want your screen to be turned off. Here you can select 20 minutes, an hour, after an hour, after 4 hours, or never. The moment you click on never, this on battery power put my device to sleep after will be automatically be never also. Here in the second one, you can also manually select the hours that you prefer. You can go with 2 hours or never also. And once you click on never, this when plugged in put my device to sleep after will be never also. Okay? So the moment you leave your screen unattended, and let's say if you're uploading something, your screen will be not, will not be turned off. Okay? Might as well here in the power mode and the related links, you can also choose balance. I must recommend that you will set this into balance. Okay? So that is the step, an easy step on how to disable sleep mode in your Windows. Hopefully this video helps you. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more upcoming video tutorials. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.